Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold slides from 9-month high as profit takers move in. Yesterday, we saw a big drop on the chart of gold. So you can see gold prices slipped in Thursday's trading as the US dollar rebounded and some investors appeared to take profits after prices touched the 9-month intraday high. So gold made a high of 1960 on and from there it dropped till 1912. So it was a big drop. It was a massive move. It broke all the levels. All the levels were shattered and my goodness. Okay, what a move. And the main reason was the recovery on the chart of DXY. For FOMC, we saw DXY breaking the support of 101.25. Then there was a big fall on DXY. It made a low of 101 or 100.84, and from there it recovered quickly. And the reason is C, dollar climbs as central banks see inflation risk unwind. So the euro and sterling slipped against the dollar on Friday as markets took a dovish cue from policymakers at the European Central Bank and the Bank of England, who said inflationary pressures in their economies have become more manageable. And my dear friends, DXY is right now standing at 101.87. If you remember correctly, then this was the range of DXY, and DXY is back inside the range again. And the fun part is today we have an FP, another big event that will bring some more volatility, more craziness to the market. So if you're a beginner, if you're a new trader, if you do not have much capital, then please do not trade during NFP or any news. Observe the market, gain some experience, but market becomes extremely volatile, so there is a high chance of hitting your stop losses, so please be careful. Okay, and if possible, just observe the market and gain experience. Do not trade. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So if you look at the overall chart, okay, I'm not talking about day traders here. Those who have taken those who are interested in swing trading or position trading, for them the market is still in uptrend, because for a trend reversal, we need an inverted V pattern in an uptrend market, and we still don't have any V pattern. This was just a part of the game. This was just a retracement. Those who are mostly into swing tradings and positional trading, for day trading, for day traders or day trading purpose, okay, yes, this was a big drop. So swing traders, maybe market has come to the right time, and by next week maybe you will get a better opportunity to take a buy position in the market, because overall the market is still very much towards the upside. After Friday, maybe by tomorrow morning you'll get a complete picture, clear picture, where you should be going for a buy position. But day traders, you must be very careful, because your stop losses are small. And in fact, I am also a typical day trader. I am also a hardcore day trader. Okay, so the levels that are important before the news are, first of all, we have 1911 as support. We have 1911 as support here. Is this a good support? No, this was a good support previously, but right now market is trying to take support here. But this is not a proper support right now. In case during the day market breaks 1911 level, listen to me carefully, in case market breaks 1911 level, then a big drop may come and we may see market heading towards 1900 level or 1901. So if a drop comes, then we may see the levels of 1901 again. So it can be a sell trading, and easily you can expect 70, 80, 90 pips as well, but be careful. And on the other hand, if market tries to recover, okay, if market tries to recover during the day before news, I'm saying, then we have resistances around 1941, 1936, and around 1930. Around 1930 we have some minor resistance, then we have got some resistance around 1936, then we have a resistance around 1941. The reason behind considering these resistances are we have used Fibonacci here. Okay, as the selling pressure is high right now on the market, so as a result we are expecting, or we can expect, that these Fibonacci retracement levels should work. You can also draw Fibonacci like this, and if you see market reversing from these levels, you can consider taking a sell position. At least you can expect a profit of 30-40 pips, okay, during the day and before the news. Keep in mind, after news, after NFP, if gold starts going up, these levels will not work, because every level has got some capacity. After news, if you want a proper resistance, then the proper resistance is only 1956 to 1960. That this is the resistance for the week. But before news, you can expect the market to reverse or to face some resistance around 1941, 36, 30 level as well, but not after the news, because every level has got some capacity. Okay, and in case market drops, then obviously we have the support around 1901 to 1897 again. Market will face some support, okay, or will receive some support around this area. If you see market taking support, if you see market showing price rejection from below, you can consider taking a buy position. But in case market starts falling like these candles, like yesterday, then obviously you need to you need to stay away from buy position. My dear friends, observe the volatility of the market, then only take a buy position. No level is permanent in the market. Okay, you know why? Still humans have the edge over bots. See, bot trading is very popular these days, but humans are still performing much better in comparison to bots, because the bots do not understand the emotion of the market. Okay, you can just program the bots when to take the orders, but humans can understand whether it is the right time to take the order or not. Okay, so you need to judge the market first, and then only you should decide. So if market comes to 1901 to 1897, if you see market taking support, go for a buy position. If you see market is coming down with red candles like this, obviously market will break it. Okay, so you need to wait for the next support, that is around 1879. Okay, to here we have got two supports, that is 1879 to, and second is 1867 to 1870. Okay, so in case a big drop comes to the market, then we have supports around 1879 to 1867 to 1870. Okay, so these three are supports for a market. After news, before news, whatever you call it, but these levels more or less they are good. Resistance, only proper resistance on the chart of gold is around 1956 to 1960. After this news, this level should work. Before news, if market goes up, then my dear friend, we can expect the Fibonacci levels to work as retracement, but after news you cannot expect the same. Okay, friends, if you're looking for signals, then please watch the next part of the video where I'll be talking about chart prime. And this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and please be careful during the news, because capital protection should be your first priority. Be a trader, not a gambler. A big shout out to Chart Prime, who has sponsored the today's video, and Chart Prime is also one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. Chart Prime has been designed for serious traders only, because along with buy and sell signals, you can also use the available tools on Chart Prime for additional confirmation. This is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD, and you can see there are various signals generated by the tool. Possible reversal up means you can go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means it's time to go for a sell position. My dear friends, no indicator, no trader is 100% accurate in the world, but Chart Prime is really doing a very good job. So if you follow proper risk management, then yes, sky is the limit for you. Personally, I have been using Chart Prime for a few months, and their result is very, very good. And along with all the tools, of Chart Prime. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And the best part about Chart Prime is that their rates are very reasonable. In fact, less than half in comparison to the other service providers in this trading community. So my dear friends, initially you can simply go for a 1 month subscription and try out the product yourself. Backtest, use it, okay, and just see. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. I'll add the link in the description so that you can get additional 30% discount. Okay, you can also scan the code on the screen for faster registration. Make sure to check them out.